17, 18, 18th question I am doing, 17th question I will explain you how to do homework. Now see question number 18. Let you read loudly. A rectangular sheet of wood 45 centimeter. Question number 18. Rectangular sheet. ये रहा बेटा आपके सामने rectangular sheet. 45 centimeter into 24 centimeter. Okay, is to be made into a box without a top. हाँ बेटा. Without a top by cutting square from each corner. बेटा each corner पे एक square piece को हम निकाल रहे हैं like this. Okay fine. So ये square means ये भी length x meter और breadth भी क्या होगा x meter. Okay. Now what they are folding up blocks. What should be the side of square to be cut off so that volume of box is maximum. Now listen बेटा, आपको सामने experiment दिखा रही हूँ. एक स्क्वायर पीस था ऑलरेडी. आई हैव शोन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट इन प्रीवियस क्लास. नाउ सी दिस इज आपका एक रेक्टेंगुलर शीट पूरा था. नाउ आई हैव रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम ईच कॉर्नर स्क्वायर पीस. ओके, दिस इज x सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज आल्सो x सेंटीमीटर. अब इसको फोल्डिंग अप दी प्लॉट्स, इसको हम फोल्ड करते हैं जो भी रिमूव किया है लाइक दिस. ऐसे कर लेते हैं. नाउ इसको हम फोल्ड करेंगे बेटा लाइक दिस. वी विल गेट इट वन टैंक, ओपन टैंक मिलेगा. अब मुझे फोल्ड करने दो. नाउ लिसन, नाउ सी हियर, नाउ सी लाइक दिस वी आर गेटिंग दिस इज ओपन टैंक. ऑलरेडी क्या था बेटा, ये 45 था इसका लेंथ. इसमें से x हटा दिया, इसका x हटा दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज डायमेंशन ऑफ द टैंक? नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज लेंथ ऑफ दिस टैंक? डायमेंशन ऑफ द टैंक आर. बोले बेटा लेंथ क्या होगा बच्चे? मैंने क्या बोला, ये 45 था, यहाँ से x हटा दिए, यहाँ से x हटा दिए, इसको फोल्ड किया, ऐसे बनाया. नाउ व्हाट इज लेंथ ऑफ दिस टैंक? बच्चे प्लीज आंसर. यस बेटा. लेंथ होगा 45 माइनस 2x बेटा. यहाँ से x हटा दिया, यहाँ से x हटा दिया, सो रिमेनिंग क्या रहेगा बेटा 45 माइनस 2x. और ब्रेथ क्या रहेगा बेटा, इसका जो ब्रेथ है, यहाँ से x हटा दिया, यहाँ से x हटा दिया, दैट इज 24 माइनस 2x सेंटीमीटर. अब ये तो देखना, यहाँ से x हटाया ना, देन वी आर फोल्डिंग लाइक दिस. व्हाट इज हाइट ऑफ दिस टैंक? What is height of this tank? Beta, what is height of this tank?
X.
Yes, x. Okay. Now height of the tank is x meter. Anyhow, x centimeter. This is given beta. Dimension of the tank is given. Okay. Now what they are saying? Find dimension. What should be side is cut off. जो x है ना काटा है ना, वो कितने सेंटीमीटर आपने रिमूव किया, so that the volume of box is minimum. हमने जो बॉक्स बनाया था उसका जो वॉल्यूम है मैक्सिमम शो करो, then automatically you will get dimension of the box. Okay fine. So अब I have to prove that volume of box is maximum. So maximum or minimum, whatever you have, you can see it, whatever we are proving. Volume of the box. Now tell me better. So ये रहा बॉक्स आपके पास. अब इसी टैंक का वॉल्यूम क्या आएगा? What is volume of this tank? Yes. What is volume of the tank? Yes, better.
Length into breadth.
Yes, exactly. LBH. Well done, better. That is LBH. Okay, fine. Now we have L, that is 45 minus 2x, and then breadth we have 24 minus 2x into height B. But we can use the 3 variable product differentiation. Now you go for second derivative. But you have to do one thing. हमेशा इसको एक single polynomial लेकर आओ. That is very easy for you to do differentiation. Now calculation fast बता देना. V equal to 45 into 24. बेटा 45 into 24 क्या आएगा बच्चे? 45 into you have to check it 1080, and then this becomes a better calculation. Please check it. Minus 48x and then plus 4x square into क्या आएगा आपके पास? x आएगा. Now v equal to we are getting better calculation. You have to check it please. Now this becomes 138x square and then plus a 4x cube. Now I brought v into simplest form. अब जाओगी डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट में बेटा. v dash that is equal to, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो 1080 एंड देन माइनस ये हो जाएगा आपका that is minus then 6 7 and then 2, isn't it beta 276 x and then this becomes 12 x square. If I take out 12 common, 12 is common, I will get it x square minus I think this becomes 23 beta, check it, and this becomes 90, check it beta, calculation how to check again I'm saying. Now anyhow, so this is v dash we have. Now let v dash equal to 0. So now that's 12 into, if I factorize this, multiplication 90, addition minus 23. So I can write x minus 18 into x minus 5. Isn't it 18 5s are 90 and addition is 23 equal to 0. This implies we are getting x is equal to 18 or x is equal to 5. Okay, now listen better. That is this much of centimeter. You should write down always unit. If I take x is equal to 18, now keep it here x equal to 18, 24 minus 36, negative में आ रहा है, so इसलिए x not equal to 18, only I can take x is equal to 5 centimeter. Now, so now you have to complete second derivative. Now I am going for second derivative test v2 dash. If I differentiate this 12 into, I am getting 2x minus 23. Automatically which is less than 0 when x is equal to, when x calculation करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है बच्चे यहाँ पे. If you keep here 10 minus 23 automatically negative आ जाएगा which is less than 0. Therefore we have shown here volume is maximum. Volume is maximum when x is equal to, that is side हमने जो निकाल रिमूव किया that is 5 centimeter length होगा. Now बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन क्या था, find the dimension of the box and also find maximum volume. So therefore question complete कर रही हूँ. Dimension of the box are, dimension of the box are a tank whatever are L equal to length equal to 45 minus 10, that is equal to 35 centimeter, and then breadth equal to 24 minus 10, that is equal to 14 centimeter, and the height we are getting 5 centimeter, and its maximum volume and its maximum volume is V equal to 35 into 14 into 5, calculation 10. Are you clear beta? Into centimeter cube आएगा. So you have to find out, multiply this, you comes to know volume. So हमने की क्या, what is given, जो साइड में रिमूव किया 1 सेंटीमीटर, तभी तो 45 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, x सिंपल वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉक्स में गए, देन उसका सिंगल पॉलिनोमियल में लेकर आए, सिंपल डिफरेंशिएशन सेकंड डेरिवेटिव तक वी हैव डन. Then we have shown volume is maximum, then dimension आ गई, then maximum volume आ गया. Are you clear बेटा? Yes बच्चे? Say yes, no? Yes? Yes ma'am. Write down बेटा, write down fast, हरिया. बेटा तुम write fast. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Please try to understand because this topic is most important. And definitely, I told you one question will come. Definitely, one 6 mark question is there. Better write fast. Yes बेटा. Yes बच्चे, have you done? बेटा प्लीज राइट फास्ट एवरीवन. Yes. Yes, बच्चे. Yes. Yes, beta. Now listen. Listen, beta. Here, next question number 17. Just let me explain so that you can do homework comfortably. Let me explain. Maybe you can do some mistake here. That's why I'm explaining. This is 17th question. Now dimension given here, beta, 18 centimeter. Length is also 18 centimeter. Breadth is also 18. What do you think? You think this is a square. It is not a cuboid. It is not a cube. Beta, already 18 centimeter. The whatever the corners x centimeter we are removing and folding up the corner, we are getting box. Now already 18 tha. 18 may we have removed x here. This side x. Then we will get dimension of the boxes. Length equal to 18 minus 2x centimeter and breadth equal to 18 minus 2x centimeter, and height is of, we are folding that whatever we have removed, we are folding this one. So height is x centimeter. Now volume of the box is usual formula LBH. Now this is 18 minus 2x, so unnecessarily don't do this is a cube like this. Don't imagine yourself. Whatever length, breadth, height given, as per that you have to go for the question. Now this is x. Whatever I did, I brought this into simplest form, that is single polynomial. आप whole square लेके मत करो, you will do some mistake in differentiation. So better open this, you bring into simplest form, that means single polynomial, then go for second derivative test, you will get answer. So this question is over. Are you clear, better? Can you do it? Yes. Yes, bache, can you do homework? Now listen, beta. Next I am taking another question. Question number that is 19th question. Question number 19 is one of the most important question. 19th one, see here. Show that of all rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle. बेटा आपके पास circle given है. एक डायग्राम देखना. Fixed circle मैंने draw कर लिया एक. Okay fine. चलो. Now given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. Once again, show that of all rectangle inscribed in a given circle, एक rectangle circle के अंदर है, उसका एरिया मैक्सिमम होगा, ऑटोमेटिकली रेक्टेंगल बिकम्स क्या बनेगा, स्क्वायर बनेगा. इधर देख, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, आपको यू हैव टू सी ओनली टू. नंबर वन, व्हाट इज गिवन. गिवन क्या था, फिक्स्ड सर्कल. मीन सर्कल मीन्स उसका डायमीटर गिवन, रेडियस गिवन, अंडरस्टूड. ओके फाइन. नाउ of all inscribed in a given that is rectangle, एक सर्कल के अंदर रेक्टेंगल आएगा ना बेटा, उसका एरिया मैक्सिमम तब होगा जब रेक्टेंगल का जो डायमीटर है ना, वो जो सर्कल का जो डायमीटर है वो रेक्टेंगल का डायगोनल बनना जरूरी है, तभी वो मैक्सिमम हो सकता है, अदरवाइज नहीं. अब क्वेश्चन देखना, गिवन क्या है तेरे पास, डायमीटर. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग लेंथ ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल इज x यूनिट and breadth of rectangle is y unit. जब इसका एरिया मैक्सिमम शो करोगे ना, ऑटोमेटिकली इट बिकम्स स्क्वायर. वो क्या बनेगा बाद में देखो. गिवन सर्कल मीन्स डायमीटर गिवन, यू हैव टू शो एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल इज मैक्सिमम. अपने आप वो क्या बनेगा, स्क्वायर बनेगा. नाउ अब देख, गिवन में जा रही, व्हाट इज गिवन हियर, दैट मीन्स आई कैन यूज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, x square plus y square equal to d square. Then reduce in terms of one variable, वो आपका comfortability है, that is y square equal to d square minus what we will get it, x square. Now see, what is c? Now I have reduced in terms of one variable, don't take under root, आपका differentiation में problem आ जाता है. Now area of rectangle maximum show करना है, area of rectangle we know length into breadth. बेटा here y square है, squaring on both side करो, squaring on a square है ना, a square के जहाँ पे मैं एक नाम दे देती हूँ z. Just I am giving, instead of a square I am giving name z. Okay, now that is equal to x square into y square. अब जो भी तुम रिड्यूस करके रखा है देन सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर z इक्वल टू आई हैव गिवन जस्ट नेम बेटा दैट इज z x square instead of y square d square minus x square. now इसको simplify करोगे that is x square d square minus x power 4. now we brought this into simplest form. now go for second derivative z dash that is equal to 2x d square minus 4x cube. now let z dash equal to 0. now z dash equal to 0. if I take that is 2x I can take out common then d square minus 2x square d square minus 2x square equal to 0. x never comes 0 क्योंकि लेंथ है. so therefore d square equal to हमेशा आपको बोलते हैं गिवन टर्म में रिड्यूस करो इजी बनेगा आपको. so this implies this I need this one. okay this implies x is equal to we are getting d by root 2. यहाँ पे मीटर गिवन हो यूनिट गिवन हो यूनिट जरूर लिखना. now I'm finding z2 dash. जब तक second derivative नहीं करोगे जब तक you don't stop. now z second derivative I'm doing here derivative. now that is 2d square x becomes 1 हो जाएगा. now this becomes 12x square. now when d equal to if I keep when x is equal to d by root 2 if you don't mind you keep it as z2 dash equal to 2d square minus 12 instead of x square we will get d square by 2. d square by 2 simplify करूँगी I will get definitely less than 0. therefore we have shown beta area is maximum. area is maximum when x is equal to d by root 2. now what they are saying जब rectangle का area maximum होगा automatically that becomes square. square means length और breadth क्या होना चाहिए x और y equal आना चाहिए. whatever you have answer substitute in given one that is implies y square equal to instead of d square we have 2x square minus x square. so that is equal to y square equal to x square implies x is equal to we are getting y. see but area is maximum automatically rectangle becomes therefore area is maximum when rectangle becomes square. beta are you clear बच्चे? say yes no. beta are you clear? say yes no yaar.
Yes, sir.
yes write down fast. write fast better and reply me whatever I am asking question please reply me otherwise how I know whether you are understanding or not. बेटा yes written beta say yes no immediately. yes yes beta. once you are here if I ask question please immediately give answer better. Now listen. Next question number 20 already we have done better. Everybody keep your book. Question number 20 already we have done. I'm taking 21. A fall closed cylindrical can. It's one of the most important question. A fall closed cylindrical. So anyhow closed given here. Of given volume. I told you first you have to check what is given. Here closed cylinder ka volume given a bit. Now what you have to prove, that's you have to see. Now next, what they are saying beta here. Find the dimension of the can. Dimension means what? Radius or height निकालना है. Find the dimension of the can which has minimum surface area. जो cylinder का surface area है, surface मतलब total surface is the minimum. Anyhow total surface area of cylinder, closed cylinder क्या है बेटा? Answer I required please. Closed cylinder का total surface area. Yes बेटा. Total surface area of a closed cylinder.
Some pi r square h plus 2 pi r square.
Pi r square h. What do you see? What happened to you? Huh? Beta, what happened to you yaar? 2 pi r square closed cylinder. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, fine. This is total surface area of cylinder. Closed cylinder. Anyhow, here volume given. Now you have to reduce in terms of one variable. What is volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Yes, pi r square h is equal to 100. अब बेटा now reduce करना है. इधर देखना, reduce करते वक्त you see your comfortability. किसको reduce करने से easy रहेगा differentiation. In case if you are reducing r square value, फिर यहाँ पे r का वैल्यू भी r square सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे, यहाँ पे r वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे अंडर रूट में. इससे बेटर हम हाइट का वैल्यू रिड्यूस करते हैं. सो ये आपका कंफर्टेबिलिटी है बेटा. आपकी कंफर्टेबिलिटी देख के आप रिड्यूस करोगे. नाउ आप क्या कर रही हो? ये रहा इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अब जो भी रिड्यूस किया उसको उठा के यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. सो दैट इज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई आर इंटू हाइट की जगह से 100 अपॉन पाई आर स्क्वायर. नाउ ब्रिंग इनटू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. एस इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर and then if I simplify this 200 pi cancel, एक r cancel upon r. Now I brought the surface into simplest form. Now go for second derivative test. S dash, that is equal differentiation you should know. So that is a 4 pi r, 1 by r का differentiation minus 1 by r square. So minus 200 upon we will get it r square. Now let z dash equal to 0. Now s dash equal to 0. Now if I take LCM here, so 4 pi r cube minus 200 equal to r square goes to that side 0. Now this implies a 4 pi r cube equal to 200 implies r equal to ये 50 हो जाएगा. 50 अपॉन पाई का होल पावर 1/3. ये रेडियस आ गया आपके पास. नाउ गो फॉर सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट. s2 डैश एनीहाउ मिनिमम आना चाहिए. सो नाउ सी हियर 4 पाई r. सो 4 पाई माइनस 1 by r square का differentiation take it r power minus 2 n into x power n minus 1. वही है ना फॉर्मूला. सो minus 2 by r cube आ रहा है. 1 by r square का differentiation minus 2 by r cube. सो minus 2 into minus 200 plus 400 upon क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? r cube. That is a plus 400 upon r cube. Differentiation very carefully you have to do it better. Now anyhow, so automatically which is see radius never comes negative, AB positive which is greater than 0 when I am writing when r equal to 50 upon pi ka whole power 1/3. Anyhow, therefore we have shown therefore total surfaces minimum. What they asked you find the dimension of the can. That means radius आ गया. Now you have to find the height. So equation 1 implies h is equal to beta 100 को what I am writing 2 into 50 the whole upon pi into instead of r I am keeping the value 50 upon pi का whole power already 1/3 we have square here that is 2/3. अब इसको simplify कर रही हूँ. Now height equal to 2 into 50 upon I can write pi into 50 power 2/3 and then upon pi power क्या होगा बेटा 2/3. इसको separate कर लिया. इधर देख ये पावर 1 है, ये भी पावर 1 है. बेस सेम है, पावर को ऐड कर सकती, ये दोनों का बेस सेम है, पावर को ऐड कर सकती। सो हाइट इक्वल टू 2 इंटू आई एम गेटिंग 50 पावर 1 माइनस 2/3 अपॉन नीचे इसको करूंगी 5 पावर 1 माइनस 2/3, 5 पावर 1 माइनस 2/3। नाउ हाइट इक्वल टू 2 इंटू वी आर गेटिंग फाइनली आंसर इज 50 अपॉन 5 का इसको माइनस करूंगी 1/3, whatever the unit given, meter or centimeter, whatever given, meter, whatever given the unit, you should write down the unit जरूर लिखना बेटा। So this is a dimension, height आ गया, then radius आ गया, nothing is difficult here बेटा। So I told you what is given, reduce करो अपना comfortability देखिए, what you have to do, यहाँ पे surface minimum show करनी थी, इसलिए हमने height को reduce किया, so that easily we can do differentiation। Then surface हमने simplest form में लेकर आए, then we gone for second derivative testing here, we did second derivative test, we have shown total surface is minimum, after that whatever we are getting the value ताकि given में रखा we are getting dimension of the tan। Are you clear? Say yes, no? Yes beta, are you clear? Yes, write down fast, hurry up। Better write fast। Done better? If you have done, tell me. Say yes, no. Yes, beta, have you done it? Say yes, no, yeah, so that I can wait, or otherwise I will proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
You have written?
Please wait. The last part.
Yes, write down fast.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Now listen better, next question. Next question, read the question. Each question is most important beta, और यहाँ पे here are not at all using trigonometric term. Maximum they have used a trigonometric term. यहाँ पे आपका suitable method लेकर करा रही हूँ. So be careful. Next question read out. ये जो क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में तीनों सेट में सेम क्वेश्चन था, एक में 28, एक में 36 और एक में 42। अब दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम टेकिंग 28 मीटर, आप क्या करोगे, सेम क्वेश्चन को 36 मीटर लेके होमवर्क में करोगे। फर्स्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन सेम क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, 36 मीटर लेके करोगे। नाउ लेट मी रीड द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर दैट इज 22। Now see, a wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces. So let us take, they are not saying exact 50% में काटेंगे, into 2 pieces. So let us take one piece is x meter and the remaining piece what we will get it 28 minus x meter. Okay, fine. Cut into 2 pieces. One of the piece is made into a square and other into a circle. अब now एक piece को circle बना रहे हैं, दूसरा piece को square बना रहे हैं. Okay, fine. Now आगे जाओ. What should be length of the 2 pieces? That means you have to find out length of 2 pieces. So that the combined area of square and circle is given. बेटा square and same question और बोर्ड में कैसे आए थे, एक का वही 28 मीटर, एक को सर्कल बनाया, एक को इक्विलेटरल बनाया. अब इधर देखना बेटा, यहाँ कॉम्बिनेशन है, एक को स्क्वायर बना रहे हैं, मतलब जो दो लेंथ आपके पास, एक तो x मीटर है, दूसरा 28 माइनस x है. एक को स्क्वायर बना रहे हैं, दूसरा का सर्कल बना रहे हैं, बट कॉम्बिनेशन ये भी आ सकता है सर्कल विद इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. ये कल की डेट में करेंगे एक क्वेश्चन. नाउ लिसन हियर, यहाँ पे आइदर सर्कल विथ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बनाओ, सर्कल विथ स्क्वायर बनाओ. ओके, कॉम्बिनेशन, ये दो कॉम्बिनेशन बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आता है. आइदर सर्कल विथ स्क्वायर और सर्कल विथ इक्विलेटरल. जो x मीटर है ना बेटा, उसको हमेशा सर्कल बनाओ सो दैट इट इज इजी टू डू डिफरेंशिएशन. आपका चॉइस है, आप किसी को भी बनाओ, यू विल गेट आंसर, बट इजी वे में जाना है, देन यू हैव टू मेक दिस x मीटर इनटू सर्कल and 28 minus x meter turn into square. अब मैंने बोला इनकेस इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बना लो एज पर क्वेश्चन. सो कल करेंगे इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल लेके. नाउ लिसन बेटा, अब गिवन में जा रही हूँ, रेडियस आई एम टेकिंग r, दिस साइड आई एम टेकिंग x. नाउ लिसन बेटा, एक x मीटर मान लो, ये रहा x मीटर आपके पास, ये एक थ्रेड है, इसको हम फोल्ड करके एक सर्कल बनाया. x मीटर को फोल्ड करके क्या बनाया, सर्कल बनाया. दैट x विल रिप्रेजेंट ऑन द सर्कल what will x represent on the circle?
Perimeter.
Exactly, that is circumference. We never say perimeter, circumference. Well done बेटा. Circumference मतलब 2 pi r equal to क्या होगा, x मीटर यहाँ पे लिया, यहाँ पे 28 minus x मीटर लिया. So that is equal to x implies r equal to x upon what we will get it 2 pi. Okay. Now 28 minus ये मान लो 28 minus x है, इसको हम फोल्ड करके एक स्क्वायर बनाया. So what will represent this 28 minus x meter on the square? बच्चे, are you clear what I'm asking? एक 28 minus x meter का, हाँ? Yes? Yes बेटा, correct, you are correct. Tell me again.
Perimeter.
Yes, exactly, perimeter. That is 4a equal to 28 minus x implies a equal to beta. If you know what is given, then only you can do it. That's keep your mind. Okay, I have reduced this side and radius in terms of x. Now what they are saying, find the dimension of the 2 pieces so that the combined area of circle and the square is minimum. So that combined area, so combined area of circle area is pi r square. ये area of square क्या होता है बेटा, a square. Now the simple you have to substitute whatever you have reduced here, x upon 2 pi का whole square and then plus 28 minus x upon 4 का whole square. बेटा 28 का square करिए. Now a equal to, इसको simplify करूँ, एक pi cancel, x square upon I will get it a 4 pi plus 28 minus, you can do differentiation directly better, but आप कुछ mistake करोगे 6 mark question, why you are losing. That's why I always bring into simplest form this one. So a equal to, open this x square upon 4 pi and then plus 28 का square क्या होगा बेटा, 28 square 784. हाँ बेटा, yes 784 and then plus x square and then minus 56x the whole upon we will get it 16. Now take it LCM, bring it to simplest form, smoothly you can go for a derivative test. If I take LCM here, so I will get it 4x square and then plus 784 pi and then pi x square minus 56 pi x. The whole upon I will get 16 pi. Now go for derivative test. Now a dash that is equal to इसको differentiate करूँ, that is 8x, it becomes 0, it becomes 2 pi x, it becomes 56 pi, the whole upon 16 pi. Now let a dash equal to 0. Now if I divide through by 2, 16 pi goes to that side 0. Now this becomes 4x plus this becomes pi x minus 28 pi equal to 0. If I take x is common, 4 plus pi equal to 28 pi implies x is equal to, I will get it 28 pi upon pi plus 4 meter. Are you clear बेटा? x आ गए. Now derivative test अभी complete नहीं हुआ. Now go for second derivative, a2 dash. a2 dash that is equal to, इसको differentiate कर रही हूँ. This is 8. It becomes 22 pi and it becomes 0, last constant. The whole upon 16 pi. Anyhow, there is no x directly आ गया which is greater than 0. So when x is equal to, you must write this one 28 pi upon pi plus 4 meter. Therefore, combined area is minimum. Combined areas we have shown minimum. So they are asking dimension. Therefore, one length, एक length आ गया, that is x is equal to 28 pi upon pi plus 4 and another length. What is another length? 28 minus क्या था बेटा? x. So that is equal to 28 minus, instead of x, 28 pi upon pi plus 4. If I take LCM here, this becomes 28 pi plus 112 minus 28 pi, the whole upon pi plus 4. It will be cancelled. Now that is equal to, we are getting 112 upon pi plus 4 meter. Are you clear beta? Say yes, no? Yes beta. Same question you have to do, that is 36 meter लेकर, 36 meter. Okay, 36 meter लेकर करना है question. Do it fast, time is running. Done it. Thank you.